Welcome to Dell Technologies Connectrix Brocade B-Series, Break-Fix Series. Error while moving ICL ports from default switch to logical switch. Reference Dell Knowledge article number 184959. This video was created to demonstrate how to resolve the indicated error while moving inter-chassis links or QSFP ports from the default switch to the logical switch. This video presents the following. When you create a logical switch, it is configured to use Extended Inter-Switch Link or XISL by default. However, sometimes XISL use is not supported. Restrictions on using XISLs. The logical switch has ICL ports. The logical switch is the default logical switch in the Brocade DCX8510 or X6 director devices. The logical switch is a base switch. The logical switch is an edge switch for an FC router. In this case, if the logical switch is enabled, you cannot allow XISL use. If the logical switch is disabled or has not yet joined the edge fabric, you can allow XISL use. However, fabric segmentation occurs when the logical switch is enabled or connected to an edge fabric. Before you begin, use the following procedure to disallow the logical switch to use XISLs. Connect to the physical chassis and log in using an account with the chassis role permission. Use the set context command to set the context to the logical switch you want to manage if you are not already in that context. In this case, you want to move the ports to FID 100. Enter the configure command. Respond to the remaining prompts or press Ctrl D to accept the other settings and exit. When to do this? When you want to use ICL or QSFP ports in a logical switch. This can be achieved by disallowing the Allow XISL use on logical switch. Once a logical switch has ICL ports, it is not possible to use logical ISL or LISL on that switch if this is planned in the future. For example, using LISL paths as backup to direct ISL connections. Connect to the physical chassis and log in using an account with the chassis role permission. Run switch show. In this demo, we are going to move the ICL ports 256 to 259 from default switch to a logical switch with FID 100. Run ls cfg show. Assign the above highlighted ports to logical switch. This is the error. Run switch show. Allow XISL use is turned off on default switch. Set the logical switch context to FID 100. And check switch show. Here, XISL use is enabled on logical switch. Hence, the indicated ports cannot be moved to the requested logical switch. Use the following procedure to disallow the logical switch to use XISLs. Enter the configure command. Enter Y after the fabric parameters prompt. Enter No at Allow XISL use. Enter Yes. Respond to the remaining prompts or press Ctrl D to accept the other settings and exit. Run switch show to check the logical switch. You can see that Allow XISL use is turned off. Now, move the ports from default switch to logical switch. Verify if the ports are successfully moved to logical switch. Please review the following important notes. Before you use the Virtual Fabrics feature, you should be aware of the restrictions and limitations regarding QSFP ports and the maximum number of logical switches per chassis. In the core blades, the 4 ports belonging to the same QSFP can be assigned to different logical switches. However, if one of the 4 ports belongs to the base switch, then the remaining 3 ports cannot be assigned to any other logical switch. The maximum number of logical switches per chassis varies depending on the switch model. The following table lists the supported platforms and the maximum number of logical switches, including the default logical switch supported on each. Refer to the following for more information. KB 184959. Doc U83435 Brocade Fabric OS Administrator's Guide. Limitations and restrictions of virtual fabrics. Restrictions on using XISLs and Doc U83446 Brocade Fabric OS Command Reference Guide. Thank you for watching.